This box is the US General 5-drawer mechanics cart. I picked this one up for $200 and I actually really like it. I just put my most commonly used tools in this one. So we have 1/4 inch drive, 3/8 drive, 1/2 inch drive extensions in the front here. We got mostly 3/8 drive sockets. Got some Tecton impacts, Astro swivels, some Craftsman chrome, gear wrench deep impacts. Over here we got Tecton 1/4 inch drive chromes. I think those 15s are Milwaukee. And then in the back we have the 1/2 inch drive sockets. Those are impact only. That's usually all I use on 1/2 inch drive is impact sockets. I have some chrome ones, but don't really use those a whole lot. We got some long screwdrivers over here. And over here we got breaker bar, some longer ratchets. Then we got 1/4 inch drive, 3/8 drive, and 1/2 inch drive ratchets here. Bunch of different brands. Over here we just got a couple hammers. I got a bunch more in one of the other toolboxes. And here we just have commonly used screwdrivers, pliers, cutters. There's that. And here we just have wrenches. These are the toolbox widget organizers with the labels. I actually really like these. So we got up to 24 millimeter here. We got some long wrenches. We got the gear wrench ratcheting. These are just the straight ones. I have the offset reversible ones that work. That. And then we just have a cheap set of stubbies. I think these are just Pittsburgh. Then in the bottom we got the impacts. Got the Makita. That's the bit set for it. A couple just oxygen sensor sockets in there. Got the Milwaukee 3/8 drive mid torque and the DeWalt 1/2 inch drive. And then we have the Tecton split beam torque wrench. Goes up to 250 foot-pounds. I actually really like having that one. Okay. And that's it for this box.